Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic to a new phone without resetting the watch. So this is a new feature that Samsung has introduced in Galaxy Watch 6 series. So let's go ahead and take a look at this feature. First we will go in settings, then scroll all the way down to general, then scroll down and you will find this feature, transfer watch to new phone. Tap on it. It says Google account on the watch and the new phone must match. So both the watch and the new phone must have the same Google account. And if you're signed into the Samsung account on the new phone, that account will be used on the watch as well. Let's do this. And now you can see that my new phone has already detected Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I'm gonna press on connect. Confirm. And now it's downloading Galaxy Watch 6 Manager to my new phone. And the benefit of this feature is that you do not have to reset your watch. So your watch with all of its settings and all of its watch faces and all of its data will be transferred to a new phone. You don't have to back up the watch and then transfer to a new phone and reset the watch and then restore that backup. So that's the benefit of this feature. And while it is finishing up, let's go through the tips and user manual here. So here it tells you everything that's new on the watch. Discover amazing new features, basic features. So you can go in here and you can go through all of these tips and tricks on the watch. So we are all set and there we go. We have the same watch with a new phone now with all of its settings and features. So my watch has actually jammed. So I've hit a bit of a road bump here because as soon as my watch connected to this new phone, the buttons stopped working and it started stuttering and lagging a lot. So I have to restart the watch to make sure that everything is working fine. Now I'm not sure if this will happen every time that you will connect your watch to a new phone, but if I restart the watch and everything is fine, then I think there is not a problem. So there you go. Now we have the watch here. It has been reconnected to the new phone. Let's go ahead and take a look if we have everything similar on the watch or if something has changed. So yeah, my watch faces are all there. So because the watch has not reset, everything is there just like before. So all that has happened is that now it's connected to a new and different phone. But you have to make sure that your watch and phone have the same Google account, and the Samsung account that you have on your phone will be the Samsung account on your watch as well. So these are the few things that you need to make sure, and after that everything else is the same. I've got all my folders and all my data and all my apps on the watch just like before, but it's just connected to a new phone this time. Like my watch, if your watch also lags a bit and the buttons stop working, just restart the watch and you will be fine. My watch is working just fine now. So that's about it from this video guys. I hope it was useful for you and informative for you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.